This is the main syntax of HTML. If we learn HTML and CSS simultaneously, then there is a huge chance it will be remembered to us in most frequently. So in my videos, I would like to explain you HTML along with CSS simultaneously. This is the main syntax of HTML. This is the main part, which is head, which is and your code goes here, which is the most important part where we write all the code. In this head part, we will insert some bootstrap code, which is predefinedly exists. And in this part, your code goes here, where we insert all our code. This is highly used terms in this HTML. Tag. This will be the starting tag, and this will be the content where we write our content here. And then this will be the ending tag. If having a starting tag, we'll definitely have an ending tag. If we not insert any ending tag, then we will get an error to us. This will be the most important structure. This can be written in this body part. These are the most common things we use in our code. Those are main heading. For main heading we use H1 tag, and for paragraph we use P, and for button we use button tag. Now we will use these terms and write the code. Now we will write the basic program in HTML. Heading will be we are using tourism. I will end this tag. And then I am using paragraph tag. Go wherever you want to go. This will be the paragraph tag, and for some button, get started. If we write this code in this body part, we will get the header, paragraph and button elements simultaneously. This will be the basic program in HTML. We are inserting all these parts, heading, paragraph and button elements in a container which is div. If we insert these into a container, if we write any code in this part, and we can access it on CSS, and we can make changes using for these three elements, because they are three under this container element div. If we want to use some class, coding is not for any logic. Just accept it and start writing it. If we accept it and start learning, then it will come to us. There is no specific logic why I am writing class here. I am bringing this. Class is the main important for writing and accessing it to the CSS. In this, I am writing some container element as cart, where we can access this cart in HTML by writing it on class. In the video, we are bringing this card as a class and we insert it on container element, where we are inserting properties to this HTML text. In this, one property I am using, which is text hyphen align, which is used for aligning this whole text to right or left or too much head or of the middle. I am using text hyphen align center and having a semicolon at last. This will be the syntax and having flower brace should be ended. This is the syntax for writing these class elements in CSS. Text hyphen align center, which will make our code, our text to come to the center page. Having different properties are exist, which are font family, font hyphen family. This will be used for making our text to be different fonts like italic, normal, and having different properties it's having. And this I am using font family as Roboto. And then having font size. We can give different sizes to our heading, paragraph, and those container. All those elements can get these properties. Font family, text hyphen align, and font size. We can use font size as 100 px. Font size and then font decoration. In this font decoration, we will write underline, line through, and above the line. These will be the lines inserted to our text by using this font decoration property. But all this having ending this flower brace is very important. Having this dot is very much highly important. Dot, and then we inserted the class which is called this font family. These are used in CSS code. Roboto, caveat, lobster, pre-self, and monotone. These are all different types of fonts. We can use them in CSS code. And having font style, normal, italic, oblique, and having different. In my videos, I am using these three headings. Font weight for normal it will be 100 pixels, and if we are going to downwards, bold, bolder, lighter, we are going to 900 and more. Lighter will be makes our code some normal, lightweight, which is meaning which is just of. We will see this on while executing our code. We will see the differences while using these different font weight properties in our code. And having text decoration property, which is underline, line through. Line through means which is like this. Underlines having like this. Overline, where the line is inserted in above the text, which is known as text decoration properties. This will be the CSS box properties, where we write the content here and having one box and having another box on the above it, where if you want to having space between content and the content like heading and paragraph, heading and button like this, we are using padding property. In C, all these properties are used in CSS. Padding property is used for spacing inside the content in the words. This border will be the outer layer of this content, and having border, having more high border, loose border, light border, we can insert those properties by using these border properties. And having this higher box and this inside box have some property which is margin, where we want to have some space between the outer jumping layer, outer content and at the inner content where we use padding. If we want more space about border and some this border, we are using this margin property. This will be considered to be height, where we can change our height of the page by using this height and width. By setting different heights and different widths, we can change our content